Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Carmine from New York here with photo class 672. This is a full review on the newer 19-inch ring light. This is model RH100B.
I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven.
If you want to improve your lighting for your streaming content, if you're a content creator on any of the platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, well, with the RH100B ring light, full 19-inch 100-watt ring light from NEEWER, you can stream and upload and film 3 cameras, cell phones at one time.
Heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds started singing.
All right, guys, here's a quick demonstration of camera angle number 2, looking directly into the ring light. As you can see, I have my phone mounted in the middle, and there's 2 extra cell phone holders on either side. The control panel does not flicker like that. It's only because it's being filmed, and it's just beautiful.
A beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful.
Guys, this is the most incredible advanced 19-inch 100-watt ring light you will ever see, complete with a remote control. Guys, I have to tell you about this. This is the incredible RH100B ring light from NEEWER. It comes with the ring light, the remote control, a complete power panel, the power source, the tripod, 3 cell phone holders, which are compatible with iPhones and Androids.
Now, who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll swing along, happy as ever.
Now, this ring light with 768 LEDs has an output of 100 watts. You can adjust with the remote the color you want, from warm 2900 Kelvin to cool white 7000 Kelvin.
No longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel. Beautiful, wonderful you.
Now, the remote or the box, the computer box on top, gives you full dimming from 0% lighting up to 100% brightness. Now, it's good for your video and for your still photography, but it doesn't stop there. Guys, if you're a makeup artist or a hair and nail professional, use these ring lights in your studio.
Heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds.
Let's talk about power. Right now, you're looking at this ring light, which is a good 4 feet away, at 21% power. The Kelvin I have it set out is 4,600 Kelvin. And look at how bright and beautiful this is. All right, so let's just run down a few more specs of this beautiful ring light that's filming me right now.
Started singing a beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now,
You get no shadows on your beautiful face. Like I said, you can film with 3 cell phones simultaneously. NEEWER also offers the wireless control app on your phone by Bluetooth. It also has 12 scene effects. If you've ever gone into a hair salon or a nail salon here in Manhattan, you'll notice that ring lights are the future. It gives you shadowless lighting to do your job in a professional atmosphere. What a great accessory for your nail salon or hairstyling salon. This will give you ultimate brightness just when you need to do your job. Now, here's the important question. Do I recommend the 19-inch NEEWER ring light? Absolutely.
Who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed